Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to submit a timesheet inside Hubstaff, step by step. First, look at the left-hand menu and find Timesheets. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. From the list, select Approvals. Once you're inside the Approvals section, switch to the Timesheets tab at the top. Here, you'll see all the timesheets available for you to submit. Find the timesheet you want to submit, then look all the way to the right side under Actions. Click the Action button, and from the drop-down, choose Submit. After you click it, Hubstaff will confirm that your timesheet has been submitted. And that's it. That's how you submit a timesheet in Hubstaff. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.